Hi there. Did you know that we could copy calculated fields from one data source to another in Tableau? Let me quickly demonstrate it for you. Here I have a chart where I'm displaying the order date and ship date. And here's the difference between the two dates. Number of days taken to ship an order that is placed. And this is the formula corresponding to it. Now let's say I have the same requirement with Global Superstore, where I have the same chart and I'm supposed to calculate the number of days to ship. All I need to do is go to Superstore, copy the formula, go back to Global Superstore, right-click on any field and paste it there. Look at that. Now, when I take this into the canvas, it's going to show me the difference between order date and ship date, which is the number of days to ship. Now, this will work provided you have those fields present in both the data sources. So you don't have to rework. Very easily, we can copy the calculated fields.